And for our document today, we're going to be looking at a couple of things to help illustrate uh, one, the major cause of sort of the tensions between different groups of people and this idea of land grabs. And then we're going to look at a poem and a question. So you'll see some um, terms of an agreement between the British and the Russians in 1907. And you'll see that they're dividing up Persia. So I'm basically asking you here, sort of, um, what's the territory being laid out, and then sort of what are the sentiments that are being expressed? Are they are they collaborative, or anything like that? And then in this cartoon, right, the lion is Britain, while the bear is Russia, and then obviously Persia. And then this is a great poem written by a guy named Wilfred Owens. So Wilfred Owens is a British soldier in World War One. He dies actually very near the end in November of 1918. And it talks here about sort of technology, right? So you have 5.9s, which are canisters that contain poisonous gas. Talks about putting on a mask. Obviously, that means a gas mask. And it's called Dulce et decorum est. Dulce et decorum est means sweet and honorable it is. And it's actually the last line here, right? Sweet and honorable it is to die for your country. Uh, so this is kind of ironic, right? He's obviously talking about how this is not sweet and honorable to die for your country. In many ways, this is sort of the end of militarism, right? They are not glorifying war anymore. It's sort of seeing how terrible war can potentially be. And then on page 884, please answer the question that you see here. All right, good luck, boys.